Guys, my stick over here. No, that's fine. It's totally okay. I'm gonna be changing this mass airflow sensor, so it should be a simple DIY. There you go. Just unplug it. Gotta go in our Phillips. Keep those somewhere safe. Don't lose them. I'm just gonna put them in my pocket. But this should, boom, pop right out. As you guys can see, there's an O-ring over here, and it's oriented this way, and it would not bolt on in any other way. I'm just gonna keep this one right here, go get the new one. So I went ahead and got the new one. It is right here. Go ahead and open it. Before you install anything, make sure it matches exactly with the old part. Right here, well, looks exactly the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and orient it in the same way. I'm trying to rub this OT sensor just the O-ring. Yep, it went right in. It's contacting both surfaces right here, so that's good. Go ahead and get the screws. There we go. Line it a little bit better here. Boom, there we go. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and scan everything. If the major wants to check out, I'm just gonna pause it. Go ahead and go to powertrain. You don't need a scanner this fancy, you just need a normal OBD scanner. Go ahead and recode, and key on, engine off. Okay. Mass airflow sensor, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and go back. So I'm gonna go back, erase codes, engine, cool. Cool. Read the codes again. Cool. There shouldn't be any codes for now. Cool. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go live data, start the car. Cool. Go ahead and make sure that that master flow sensor is correct and it's connected correctly. Okay, so we're here at the car. This one is connected correctly. I don't see any cracks. I don't hear any vacuum leaks. Everything looks fine. Yep, looks pretty good. Go ahead and go back to the live data. I'm working in jeans, can you guys believe that? Alright, let's see. Mass airflow sensor, if I can even find it. Engine load, nope. Guess everything here is, intake temperature, 78, so it is reading. Intake air temperature, it's reading it as well. Intake manifold runner control. Intake tuning valve is on. Now that it's on, this one's turning on once I hit the gas, so that means it's working fine. The car's vibrating more than it needs. I don't get it, but it doesn't relate to this problem. So mass airflow sensor. There we go. That's the G. This is the volt. It is in fact reading. I'm gonna go back, make sure no codes popped up. Engine on, running. Cool. Read on-demand codes. We can read the codes regardless of where the engine. It's revving by itself. Cool. No codes. That is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.